Hello all, welcome to another day, another video, obviously another set of toys, a brand which is reminiscent with its unique style and unique handling. This is the first one, as you see. Classic Porsche 356, very iconic car. It was there in racing, motorsports in old days. There have been many versions of this car. This is a particularly race version with the race number 50 and a hardtop version. Second one, 911 Turbo. This is a 2000 edition of the 911 Turbo. We'll go to the third one, the Porsche Panamera, the police rescue version. All these three are from Hot Wheels. The last but not the least, 911 Carrera is from Majorette. Looking directly at the color combination and the quality, Majorette actually beats all of them. But anyways, Hot Wheels are known for their quality. We'll see one by one. Coming back to this Porsche 356, this car is very famous. If you play Porsche Unleashed, Need for Speed Porsche Unleashed anytime in your life, you will not forget this car. It is there when you start the factory driver version or when you start the evolution play in that game. This car is the first one. Comes with the 356 from Hot Wheels, Porsche 356, made in Malaysia. Superb quality, superb color, nice wheels, unique design of wheels as you see. Inside layout is proper, dashboard layout, inside layout, it's done properly. Detailing is perfect. The decal show it's a racing version. Next we'll go to Porsche 911 Turbo. This car is so iconic and everybody knows this car. In India also many rich people have this car, 911 Turbo. This is a bit older version, 2000 Porsche 911 Turbo, because ये पुरानी लाइट्स हैं. अभी के जो लाइट्स हैं उसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंस है. As you see now in this, you see in the Panamera, the lights are different because this is a newer version, this is an older version. So hardtop convertible, पीछे spoiler दिया हुआ है. As you see, it's a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So this is a 911 touring version of 911 Turbo, 911 GT3 RS. The next one is Porsche Panamera. Panamera again is an iconic model and currently running model and very famous. Now it's a bigger model and it is a 4-door in contrast to the 2 doors of Porsche. Normally Porsche is 2 doors, but this one is a 4-door model. The window tint is red. आप देख सकते हो window tint उसके अलग अलग है. This is a clear tint, this is a clear tint, this is a black tint, this is a red tint, reminiscent with the police versions, and this is a police version actually. Again the alloys are a bit different for the police version. This is a particular country's police version. Porsche का branding है यहाँ पे. Every one of it has it. Porsche's branding. You can see Porsche Panamera 2013 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Dashboard layout is proper inside. There is a sunroof also up because this is a hardtop but not a convertible hardtop. So there is a sunroof over here as you see. Normal sunroof, not a panoramic one. This one, the last one of the lot, this is not a Hot Wheels. This is a Majorette, as I told you. So this car is different from all these three. And this first of all, the model is 911 Carrera. Detailing is way more particular than the Hot Wheels one. आप देख सकते हो इसके headlamps और इसके headlamps. This is a similar model 911 Carrera, 911 GT3 or Turbo you can say. Same colored, body colored. Even the rear also is similar like that. इसमें lights are particularly highlighted. Front, the rear. Porsche, it's such a small car, 1:64, but Porsche's symbol is so beautifully done. Inside layout also you can see so beautifully done. The seats are visible properly. Everything is done so neat and clean. This has a 5-spoke. This has a unique design. This again is a 5-spoke but a unique design, and this is a 9-spoke alloy. So alloy design is also different. कोई भी गाड़ी में डोर्स या कुछ भी ओपन नहीं होता है. There is another video of Porsche, bigger models than this. These are 1:64, so I have 1:32 to 36 scales, also bigger models of Porsche. There is a separate video on that. Please go in my profile and watch that video also. These are very good collectibles, all die-cast, 3 from Hot Wheels and from Majorette. Obviously hands-on Majorette in quality beats these 3 as per my view. But anyways, Hot Wheels also has done a great job. You can see Porsche का यहाँ पे भी अच्छी तरह डिटेलिंग दिया हुआ है, except the lights and all, but they have done a very good job. There is a small spoiler on Panamera as well. That's it guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.